Here it is. I'm on the bike. There's a video for you, Dad. You said, "Oh, where's the video? You're riding your bike." Here it is. This thing is a piece of shit, man. Got a flat tire. City doesn't plow the greatest, but you know, you're probably better off on a bike than trying to drive, especially if you have a car. All right. Oh, man, it's pretty rough. Probably like almost a mile in. These are the worst. Sure, far from my house, blocks away from my house, the roads are fine. Oh. What's good about this is like rear view mirror. Yeah, so I had a hell of a day so far. Went to shovel my snow with a snowblower. Damn thing starts on fire. If I didn't have a fire extinguisher, who knows where I would be. Probably blown up. That was scary. That's all I got. This is about as good as this video is gonna get. Yep. Alright. If I make it, you'll be seeing this on Facebook. If not, that means I probably fell. Yep. I'm in. Oh, got my Carhartt on, so won't be able to miss me. Well, you'll probably think it's like a dead deer or some shit, I don't know. Alright, that's all I got.